Hey guys, Alexa here, and today we're going to be working on the black Cat D.Va wig. I have a wig from Art Wigs. It's in the color Lemon Drop. It is a Chibi classic. There's not a whole lot we have to do with this wig because it's already in the pigtails and everything. So basically we're going to be trimming it up a little bit, shaping the bangs, and then I got some ribbon and stuff. We're going to cover up these, I guess there's rope, this string, rope, whatever it is on the wig so you don't see that. And then, and then we will attach on the bows and the ears and all that good stuff. But first we are going to style it. I'm going to begin with cutting the bangs and just kind of trimming this up just a tiny bit. Like I said, it doesn't need a whole lot because it's a chibi wig. So let's get started on Black Cat D.Va.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Okay guys, so here's the completed Black Cat D.Va wig. I just trimmed up her bangs a little bit, put a little bit of a fringe in there, super glued the ribbon on, and it's time for another thing. Super glued the ribbon on. I didn't super glue it onto the rope that's on the wig. I just super glued the two pieces of ribbon on top of each other really tight, so it's just like a really tight headband. Or hair tie. Wrong word. But got the hair clips in. I kind of had to go like sideways and up. That way it would sit right, because I couldn't go like inside the wig like I wanted to because it's too much, there's too much lace and stuff on the inside. I can't go through it. So I just went through the wig backwards, like up, and clipped it. But here is the D.Va wig. I will leave all the things I use in the description below. I always do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed the Black Cat D.Va stuff. I will be making videos on how I'm going to make her clothes and everything. But right now, we did the ears, the bows, and the wig. So it's a start. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My name's Alexia, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Sorry, I'm very tongue twisted. So don't forget to like and subscribe. My name's Alexia, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!